Okay. Very good morning, students, once again.
Good morning,
Good morning,
sir.
sir.
Good morning, sir.
Students, we are dealing with the chapter triangles, in which the theoretical part of the first part of the syllabus has been discussed, wherein we learned similarity in general, the similarity of two triangles in particular. Based on this particular aspect, today we are going to solve the problems from the first exercise, that is exercise 6.1. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Charita?
Yes, sir.
Sinchana? Yeah, Charita, read the first question, beta, quick. Exercise 6.1.
Exercise 6.1. First, fill in the blanks using the correct word given in brackets. First, all circles are dash, congruent, similar.
Okay, beta, look at the question first. I'll read it again. Exercise 6.1. The first main. Fill in the blanks using the correct word given in brackets. There are 4 sentences, beta, in the first. You have to pick the correct word given in the bracket which suits the given sentence. Let us begin with the sentences one by one. Charita, the first one, beta. Okay, Sinchana, read, beta.
First one, all circles are dash. Options are congruent and similar.
Yeah, beta. Can you tell me all circles are whether they are congruent or similar?
Similar, sir.
Similar.
Similar. Okay, Spurti Patil, what is the reason, beta, why you said they are similar? Can you elaborate?
Because their dimensions will be different, sir. But they look similar, sir.
Okay, fine. Any other answer, beta? Mathematically, according to the definition which we have studied yesterday. Anusha.
Sir, their shape will be same, sir, but size, that means radius will vary, no, sir, so their size will be different, sir.
Yeah, beta. Yes. Still better. Anybody else will try in another method, another way. Anybody?
The circumference will differ, sir.
Okay, fine, beta. Whatever the answers you have given, all are correct. Let us discuss first. They are talking about 2 circles, maybe 3 circles, maybe 5 circles at a time, whatever. All the circles are congruent and then similar. They have given. If I take one Chotu and one Motu, 100% these are not congruent because complete overlapping will not take place. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here, if you see, the shape remains the same. Circular shape. The sizes are different. So, general definition you can apply. You can tell Zindabad. They are similar. Am I right, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
There is another way. You can take the boundary of this circle, that is circumference, C1. You can take it as C2. You will get C1 by C2 one value. There is no one more ratio to compare, beta. Are you getting my point?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Is that clear? So, 2 circles
sir.
taken at a time, all the circles will be called as similar. But beta, sometimes they are congruent also. If you take the bangles of the same person, same lady, you can see that they are congruent. It is not like that the circles are not congruent. They may be congruent in some cases, but in rest all the cases they are similar. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
And one more beta, underline one more thing I forgot to tell. All the congruent figures are also called as the similar figures. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
The
sir.
question comes how? Sir, the first condition to it is correct only. All the angles should be equal to the corresponding angles of the other figure. That is one condition. The second condition, proportionality, if you go, in the congruency, they will be equal. If you equal, automatically the ratio becomes equal only. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what will be the answer for the first one?
Similar.
Similar. Okay, Sinchana, read the second sentence.
Yes, sir. All squares are dash. Options are similar and congruent.
Yeah, beta. Can anybody tell what is the answer?
Similar, sir.
Similar, sir.
In some cases, they are congruent also, but in all the cases, they are similar. If I take the two rough diagram, square like this, smaller, one square, the bigger. First work, look at the angles. Here all the angles are 90 degree by the property of a square. Here also they are 90 degree. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Remember, beta, whenever polygons comes, that is a figure with the sides and the angles comes, you have to go for the definition which we learnt yesterday. All the angles of one figure should be equal to corresponding angles of the other figure. First condition zindabad, right, beta?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Now let us take the second condition. Since it is a square, if 1 is 2, all will be 2. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose it is 6 centimeter, all will be 6 because of the property of square. These all four are equal to one another. These all four are equal to one another. Now look at the corresponding ratio, beta. This with this, 2 by 6. 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 Everywhere, what will be the answer, beta, you will get?
1 by
1
3,
by
sir.
3, sir.
1 by 3. So you can clearly see both the conditions about the equality of angles, about the proportionality of sides is matching, satisfying. Hence, we can say the squares are always what, beta?
Similar, sir.
Similar.
What the concept? Even
Yes,
beta,
yes,
suppose if you are taking one more square like this of these two, wherein 2, 2, 2, 2. Here also they are similar. The reason, beta, angles are obviously equal. 2 by 2, 1, 2 by 2, 1, 2 by 2, 1, 2 by 2, 1. Everywhere again the ratio comes the same. This is why I said all the congruent figures are called as similar figures. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
But
sir.
reverse is not true, beta. All the similar figures are not at all congruent figures. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
You can say, beta, all the Kannadigas, Indians, whether it is possible to tell all the Indians are Kannadigas. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Is it correct? All Indians are Kannadigas.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Beta, the other people, maybe Tamil people, Marathi people, Gujarati people, they will come and bumps on us. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So that is the logic. All the congruent figures can be similar figures, but all the similar figures cannot be the congruent figures. Clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us go for the third sentence. Who will read? Again, the same students are reading the questions. Riddhi, read, beta. Third one.
Yes, sir. All dash triangles are similar. Bracket
let us write.
isosceles and equilateral.
All dash triangles are similar. Students, what will be the answer according to you? They have given two words. Isosceles triangle.
Equilateral, sir.
Yeah, they have given two options. Isosceles and equilateral. We need to check both and then we have to justify the answer better. Okay, first we will go for the isosceles. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Observe the diagram carefully, beta. These two are equal because it is an isosceles triangle. Okay, this is one. I'll take one more, little bit smaller. In this, these two are equal. I'll take the dimensions, beta. 4, 4, 2, 2. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose it is 3, it is 1.5. Are you getting the concept, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Look at this. If you go for the ratios of the corresponding sides, this is 4 by 2. It is also 4 by 2. It is 3 by 1.5. Beta, look at this. Whether they are going to give the same answer. What is this?
Yes,
Two,
sir.
sir.
2, 2. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
So, if you go for this case, we feel isosceles triangles are also similar. Yes, beta, they are similar, but in some cases, not in all the cases. Just look at this. I'll change the dimension, beta. This. I'll keep same. No change. Okay. If I make it just 2, and if I keep it same, look at this. These two will come same. Exactly. Pakka. There is no doubt. Do you feel better these two values will be same as the other value?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, not at all. Here the value will be different. But can anybody tell it roughly how much you are going to get the answer? 2 by 1.5. Do it in the rough paper. Quick.
4 by 3, sir.
Yeah, beta. 4 by 3. How much it is?
1.333, sir. 1.3
Yeah,
bar.
beta. It becomes 3, nothing but 1.3 bar, you can say. You can see two ratios are coming, the answer, giving the answers as 2, and one ratio is giving 1.3 bar. So in such cases, they will not be similar. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
So isosceles triangle has been taken out of the option, but equilateral is remaining. So we have to check its correctness. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Let me take a equilateral triangle. 1, 2, 3. Am I right? All three are equal. One more bigger. All three sides are equal. You take any measurement, but 8, 8, 8. Okay? 2, 2, 2. Because all the three are equal means all should be same. All should be same. No, beta, 8 by 2 or else 2 by 8. Both are same. Is same as 2 by 8 is same as 2 by 8. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look at the answer. This will give you 1 by 2. This also will gives the same. This also gives the same. Hence,
1
in
by
this
4,
case,
sir.
okay.
Will give 1 by
1 by 4, sir.
Yeah, beta. 2 ones are 2 fours are 1 by 4. All the three will be giving the answers. If you change the dimension, you make it as 4. Only the thing will be changed as this one. What will be the answer, beta, here?
1 by 2.
1 by 2, sir.
1 by 2. So here, if you change the dimensions, it doesn't matter. Again, you will get the same ratio every time. But in isosceles triangle, beta, ratios may be same, may not be same. What the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So because of this reason, what should be the answer, beta? We have to write
All
Equilateral.
isosceles equilateral triangles are same.
equilateral. Beta, look at the concept. This. By looking at this, we can understand one thing. The regular figures, regular polygons. Beta, you have studied in 9th maybe. Sorry, 8th standard. Regular polygons means all the sides should be equal and all the angles should be equal. The best example is equilateral triangle, square, then regular pentagon, regular hexagon. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Whenever you go for such figures, they are always similar to one another. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'll go for the fourth one. Tanuja, read beta, fourth sentence.
Yeah, sure. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are blank and their corresponding sides are blank. First one equal, second one proportional.
Yeah, beta. Here, no need of discussing the answer, beta. It is exactly the definition which I have given for the similarity of triangles. Beta, their triangles, I was talking about only 3 sides, 3 angles. But here they are telling polygon with the same number of sides. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And just now we have seen, but I have done it with the square. 4 sides, 4 ratios I have taken, 4 angles I have taken. Yesterday, the triangles, 3 ratios and 3 sides and 3 angles have been taken. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
It can be done with the regular pentagon also, regular hexagon also. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the first blank will be filled by which word, beta? First blank.
Equal.
Equal, sir.
Equal. What about the second blank, beta?
Proportional, sir.
Proportional. If you remember, yesterday I have told one simple trick, the simple funda to remember the definition: equality of angles, proportionality of sides. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Beta, copy all the 4 quickly. Just write down the final answers. Okay. We'll go for the second main. Quick.
Yes.
Done?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Bhagya, can you hear me?
Yes,
I think she's not. Yeah. Bhagya, read the second main.
Yes, sir. Give 2 examples of pair of each. First, similar figures. Second, non-similar figures.
Yeah. Beta, look at the question here. Give 2 different examples of pair of number 1 similar figures, number 2 non-similar figures. Already we have discussed a lot about it. Am I right?
Yes.
If you go for
Yes,
the general definition, I have given 4 pair of objects which are similar. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
You can quote any 2 of them. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Aditi, can you tell me which pair shall we take? Aditi, I think she's not able to hear me. Sania, what is your answer? 2 pair of similar figures. Okay, let me go to some other. Harshita,
Mini model of building and original building.
okay, beta. Mini model of the building and original building. It is a bigger one. I'll go for cricket ball and volleyball. Okay, beta.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
coin and 10 rupees coin.
Yes, beta.
5 rupees coin and 10 rupees coin, sir.
Yeah. I'll write. Cricket ball and volleyball. Already we discussed about the same. One more we'll write 1 rupee coin. Still they are existing, beta. Coin and 2 rupee coin. Am I right? Students,
Yes.
these are the general examples for the similar figures.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
some
sir.
geometrical objects means in the sense polygons. We will give some answers, beta. I'll write. Or number 1. Just now we have discussed, beta.
Equilateral
Regular hexagon.
Beta. Equilateral triangles.
Pair of
One
equilateral
more, beta.
triangles.
One more.
Squares.
Yeah,
Squares.
all the squares. Yeah, beta, all the squares. You can take 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever, n number of equilateral triangles, all will be similar figures. You can take n number of squares, all will be similar figures. Here, beta, 2 general in day-to-day life aspect I have given, 2 specifically from the polygons. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Okay, we will go for the second one. Second means second. What is the concept, beta? All of you write it down quick.
Non-similar figures.
Written?
Non-similar
Yeah.
figures.
This one you have written, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Okay, better. I'll make the changes here only. I'll make it second one on similar figures. Beta, can anybody will try in day-to-day life? I want two non-similar figures. You can take any.
Bangles of the same person, sir.
Angles of
Same person, sir. Means same size.
beta same size. They are congruent, nothing but similar. Already I have told beta all congruent figures are similar figures. We cannot go for it. Okay. Any other
Sir?
things? Yeah, Sinchana.
Sir, size of hand of other person and earth.
Fine, beta. That can be taken, but again, it creates unnecessarily argument. Look at this, beta. Dislike terms
Sir.
you have to take. One example
Sir,
I give.
two clocks.
In my-
Sir,
Yeah, beta.
TV
Sir,
remote
triangle
and
and
mobile
space.
phone, sir.
1 minute, Charita.
Two clocks, sir.
Okay,
Clocks.
beta. Two clocks. Okay, I'll come back to it. Apurva.
TV remote and mobile phone, sir.
Fine, beta. Again, you have to be careful. There may be some sort of similar objects will be used as a remote also. What we can say, smartphone also. Charita, will you explain, beta? I'll come back to your answer. Clocks. How?
Sir, one will be circle, sir, and one some other design there will be no, sir.
Yeah, beta. Best example. One round shaped clock, wall clock, and one square shaped wall clock. It means you are talking about circle and a square. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Students, look at this. I'll give a hint. In my teaching,
Sir.
Teachers will be using regularly in that particular materials. You can quote two. Which are those? Anybody?
Chalk and duster.
Yeah,
Chalk and
beta. The
duster.
best example, you can write chalk and duster. Beta, we know geometrically it is a cylinder and it is a cuboid. They are not at all similar. Okay, this is of teachers. Now coming to the household materials, beta. Can anybody give some examples? Household materials.
Sir,
Plate
scooty
and
and car,
spoon,
sir.
sir.
One by one. Spurti. Yeah, beta.
Sir, scooty and car, sir.
Yeah, beta. Scooty and car. The best example for non-similar figures. Very good. Household, I told. This will not come in the household, beta. It will be out. Okay,
Sir.
again.
Plate and spoon.
Yeah,
Plate
beta.
and
Repeat,
spoon.
Charit. Yeah, beta. Very good. Plate and spoon. You can write it down. What I was thinking is door and the table. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Because, beta, the room where I'm teaching right now, I can see a door, which the entrance, and one table on which I kept some materials. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
So let me write door and table. Non-similar. Now coming to the specific beta, polygons. I'll write it.
Sir, equilateral triangle and isosceles
Yeah,
triangles.
acute angle triangle, angled triangle, and obtuse angled triangle. You can understand. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
The second one, rectangle and square. Do you feel they are similar, beta?
Square and circle.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, better.
Yes,
You can
sir.
make it a square and circle also. You can take it rectangle and square, beta. It doesn't matter.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
write down, beta. Quick. Write it fast. Beta, make yourself mute. Okay. Now, I'll go to the last question. Who will read? Let me pick some other. Okay, Supriya, can you hear me? Supriya. Okay, Karuna.
Yes, sir.
Beta, read the third main. Quick.
State whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not.
Yeah. State whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. Okay, you can make yourself mute. Beta, there is some disturbance. Make yourself mute. Okay. Let me write it down. Third main. Beta, to understand the third main, we have to go for the diagram. What they have given. You can clearly see, beta, what we call the first diagram. What is the name of this
Parallelogram.
Very simple parallelogram, and it is a special case of parallelogram, that is square. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us write it. Don't do any work. I'll go for the diagrams. Yeah. They named it P, Q, R, S. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay. They have taken one more, the bigger one, so that they are showing the sizes are different. Okay. Let us take the given letters A, B, C, D. Each side measuring 3 centimeter here. Here, beta, each side is measuring how much?
1.5 centimeters.
1.5 centimeters.
So, beta, all the sides are equal. So, it is not the regular, means a simple parallelogram. It is also the special parallelogram. What is the name?
Rhombus.
Rhombus, which is my favorite object in geometry, beta. It is square. Beta, look at the concept here. Here also all the sides are equal. Here also all the sides are equal. If you recall the earlier answer, which I have given in the first main for the second one, squares, I have taken the corresponding ratios Zindabad. Here also, if you take the corresponding ratios, always the answer comes the same. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. But one condition may be satisfying. The other condition, if you look at, here all are 90 degrees. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
But in rhombus, already I said, beta, last year when I was teaching to you people, in rhombus, not even a single angle is 90 degree. All will be different. Two of them will be obtuse more than 90. Am I right, beta?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because of this reason, the corresponding angles of these two figures are not at all equal. Even though the ratios are proportional, ratios of the sides are proportional, we say these are non-similar. These are not similar. What is the concept?
Yes, sir.
So how to write the answer, beta? Write down the answer. I'll give right below the answer. Third one. No. Given figures are not similar because the corresponding angles are not equal each other. Write down, beta. So, beta, in the earlier question, second main question, for non-similar figures, you can quote rhombus and square also. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Write down,
Yes,
beta,
sir.
quick. Make it fast.
Yes. Done, sir.
Okay.
Written, sir.
Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Students, any difficulties in the first exercise? Very difficult exercise. Am I right?
No, sir.
No,
No,
Beta,
sir.
this is very simple. All the theoretical aspects will be dealt. Here, remember one thing, beta. The exercise is based on only one fundamental aspect, one principle. What is that? The corresponding ratios of the the ratios of the corresponding sides and the corresponding angles. Angles should be equal. The sides should be proportional. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
That is the only main part
Yes,
of this
sir.
exercise. They are checking your basic knowledge, whether you are thorough with the similar figures or not. whether you'll be able to identify what are similar figures, what are non-similar figures. Clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, beta, with this, I'm ending the today's session in the morning, but in the evening, beta, very important concept will start begin. Will start to begin. Clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
That
Yes,
is,
sir.
I'm going to discuss basic proportionality theorem, which is proposed by a renowned mathematician from the Greek, Thales. What he has done with the triangle, what is the statement given by him, that we will discuss in at 6:30, 6:40 as usual, beta. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
With this, I'm ending the session. Anybody having any queries?
No,
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, beta. Bye. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
beta. Bye.
sir.
Bye, sir.